How to enjoy mobile content with LG ThinQ. LG ThinQ app allows you to connect to your mobile device, share screen, and enjoy the stored contents. You can simply download the app by scanning the QR code or search on your App Store. Once downloaded, go to your home dashboard and select Connect Mobile Device. Then select How to enjoy mobile content with LG ThinQ. From the ThinQ app on your mobile, select Add Device. Select your TV that appears under the Search Nearby list, then enter the number on the TV screen. Once connected to the network, accept the terms and privacy agreements. Now you can browse and play media files stored on your mobile.